What happens during a stay-at-home order when it's not safe to stay home? We've uncovered a spike in domestic violence calls for service in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic in Chicago. Chicago police data shows that from March 16th to the end of last week, calls jumped from 2,882 calls for service to 3,163 calls last week. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey has been looking into the reasons behind the rise. And Megan, this is a significant uptick from last year.
Right, Erica, it's a big jump when we compare this data to the same period last year. The volume of calls for the week the stay-at-home order was announced was more than 9% higher than the same week last year. Fast forward to last week, total domestic violence calls peaked to 3,163. That's a more than 14% increase from the same time last year when there were 2,760 calls. As soon as the order was issued, domestic violence survivors like Cassandra Tanner Miller started speaking out about serious concerns about the mandate and how it could enable an abuser to keep a victim from getting help. Obviously, you understand the need for the stay-at-home order, but as a domestic violence survivor, you saw the writing on the wall.
It creates literally a deadly environment where you're scared. Terrified. I put myself back right into, as soon as they mentioned that lockdown, it was like my heart sank, because I thought to myself, like, the poor kids, the poor wives, the poor husbands who are stuck at home with their abuser, like, this is going to create a very, very deadly, if not toxic, environment for all parties involved, with no reprieve from it.
We spoke to 3 different nonprofits who help domestic violence victims, and they all reported an uptick in calls. Connections for Abused Women and Their Children say they routinely work with Chicago police to support victims, and they say police are giving nearly as many domestic violence assessments to victims in a week that they used to give in a month. While help is harder to get during a pandemic, it's not impossible.
And they're hovering around them. So whatever types of things they can do to very secretively get a message out to a trusted person is something that could help literally save their lives.
Now, Love Patterson recommends coming up with clever ways to get out of the house if you can, and keeping in touch with a safe person that's outside of your home. Their hotline is still up and running, and residents can sign up for the Smart 911 system, which privately records all of their personal information if they ever do need to make that emergency call.
Megan, what steps is the state taking to make sure domestic violence victims are able to get that help during the stay-at-home order?
Well, Erica, recently the state of Illinois announced a $1.2 million investment into domestic violence services. That includes enhancements for the DV hotline and for additional housing assistance. We have all of these details and all of these additional resources on our website. Just click this story. Reporting live, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 investigators.
Yes, thank you. And Megan, it's important to note it's not just happening here. In Spain, women have been given a code word to alert their pharmacists. And France is paying for hotel rooms for victims of domestic violence and opening pop-up counseling centers.
If you are a victim of domestic violence, you can call the 24-hour National Domestic Violence Hotline, 800-799-7233. We put all this information on our website as well, cbschicago.com, in case you missed it.